a video shout out to our first donation sponsor of the year, Spirit Halloween. The Egg Harbor Township store in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey, which is their year-round location. Not open year-round, but it's there year-round. By the home office, donated this swinging Jester to us. Should be pretty cool for the clown tent this year. Open it up and see what it looks like. So here are the components. We have the costume, the swing. It looks like hands that hold onto the rope, the arms that go in the costume, the shoulders, and the head. Get this assembled, see how it looks. Here we are with the skeleton assembled. Pretty simple, but rather effective. I like the foam to bulk out the legs a little bit. That's a nice touch. Here he is all dressed up. Nice form-fitting outfit. And there's actually Velcro on the back where it all comes together, so it was pretty easy to apply, which was nice. Here we go, fully assembled. Have it hanging from a door frame. Obviously in a scene it'll be out in the open, so the actor can swing it back and forth. The only thing it needs is a pull noodle or two to beef out the legs. And I think this will look great in our scene, and our patrons won't know if it's a real person or not.